Now, uh, when we are about the lesson for all, it's a drama, okay, and through this the writer wants to make us understand that how the people in face the problems like the drainage and the dirty place, whatever, okay, the cleanliness problems. So many characters are there. With these characters, they are going to tell us what are the problems faced by our city, what are the problems they both are facing. Okay, let me introduce the characters. The first, or the characters those who are telling us is the they are humans. What are they? For example, the humans character like newspaper boy is there, milkman is there, hawker is there, school bus driver, Dr. Savant, Mr. Patel and Mrs. Patel and a housewife is there, Mr. Desai, a businessman, mayor of the town, Mrs. Joshi, she is also a housewife, and here we have two girls, that is Nidhi and Madhu. Both of them are the daughters of Mrs. Joshi. Okay, and they almost ready for the school. Okay, and some of the characters are from the animals also there. The animal characters are rabbit, deer, peacock, squirrel, deer, birds, and the tortoise. In your last year, what you have seen that in there is a lesson called Aesop's fable. In that you have seen that how the animals can talk. Okay, Aesop fables is the they are the stories where animals can also talk. Yes, so in this lesson also we have some characters, the animal characters, those who can speak. Okay, now let us first in this, you can see over here, I'll show you. Here they have given a scene. What is the scene? A city street is there in the early in the morning. Okay, the scene or the drama begins with the street, and it was just an early in the morning. The street is littered with plastic bags, cartons, tins, cards, cans, broken glasses, old tires, waste paper balls, bags, and the other garbage. Okay, what is the scene they have shown? The first, when the camera turns over there, what is being shown that there is a street littered. Littered means was it is all over there. There is a garbage. Which type of garbage? It's also mentioned. Okay, we have plastic bags, cartons. Cartons means what? The boxes which we use now. For example, the milk cartons, milk जो box में the cream it has been packed, that we empty and throw it, that is called the cartons. Tins are there, cans are there, broken glasses, old tires, waste paper balls. Waste paper balls means we use that papers, we just make it crushed and throw it, that is waste paper balls. Bags are there, the dirty bags, the old bags which is not being used, all these are there. Okay, and the other garbage, the wet garbage you can mention, the leaves and the leftover food, all these are there. And here's the first enters Mr. Desai. Early in the morning he's having the habit to come, so he woke up and he came out on the street. Now looking out, okay, what is the Mr. Desai said? Let us see. Mr. Desai said that, okay, first of all, what was he saw? That is being shown. It is looking out into the distance. He was standing on his door and he looked at the street. And what did he observe? He observed that there is everywhere on the street, the garbage is being littered. Why hasn't the newspaper been delivered on time today? Every day he wakes up, he comes out of his house to the door and he picks up his newspaper. But today the newspaper man was not there. It's 9 o'clock. What's the time? The time he saw in his watch, it was 9 o'clock. Almost the time to leave for my office. What did he say? He said that it's a time for my office. I have to read the newspaper and being ready, I can leave. Looking out again, he again and again coming out and looking for the newspaper. Let me ask the Patels if they have received their copies. Okay, what they said that I'll go to the neighbor and I'll ask that if we have received the newspaper of his. Okay, so that I can inquire to the newspaper boy about my copy. Now what he do? He goes into the wings and returns with Mrs. Patel. Now the other character entered in the story, and that is Mrs. Patel, a lady. No, Mr. Desai, the newspaper boy hasn't delivered the paper as yet. What did she say? She said that the newspaper boy doesn't came to our house also. Nor has our milkman. What did she mention? She said that the newspaper boy as well as the milkman is also not there today. Mr. Patel is so grumpy. He is waiting for his morning cup of tea. Now, what is mean by grumpy? Grumpy means we get habitual. Every day, the ladies or the person who is going out for the office, what do they do? In the early morning, they drink a cup of tea. That is their habituent. Every day they need it, and with that they gets the kick. They start their works. Okay, so Mr. Patel is very habituated with the morning cup of tea, but because they don't have the milk in the house, the milkman was not there. Because of that, he was waiting for his morning cup of tea. Okay, now the Mr. Desai. Mr. Desai was there. Was there in their wing. He visited Mr. Patel, and what did he say? Very strange. And look, the state of street is in is simply shocking. What did he said? He was talking with his neighbors, that is with Mrs. Patel and Mr. Patel. What did he say? That it's very strange. Every day the milkman, the newspaper, everyone comes on time before the 9 o'clock. But today they haven't reached. And when I was searching for the newspaper boy, what I have seen, I have saw the street littered with the garbage. The state of the street means the position of the street was simply shocking. I can't even stand on that. Okay, Mrs. Patel. Now, what did Mrs. Patel said? My words. What's this? Where did all this litter and garbage come from? What did she say? She saw from her house that the street was littered with the garbage. Everywhere was the garbage, and she said that, "Oh my God! Oh my words! What's this?" It was her expression. She was very shocking that their street is full of garbage. What was the situation till here? What we have seen, Mr. Desai, he wants to read the newspaper. When he came out for searching the newspaper was not there. Now what he did, he gone out and he gone to the visit to the wing, Mr. Patel. When he knocked the door, Mrs. Patel came out, and what did she said? That we haven't received our newspaper as well as the milk, because both of them are not came. Now Mr. Desai continue talking that you can see the street, it is full of garbage. Mrs. Patel also said that, oh my God, everywhere I can see the garbage. Why did it happen? Okay. Now here Mrs. Joshi with her daughter, who enters when we are seeing the first scene. The Mrs. Joshi and her daughter enters in that scene. What did Mr. Desai said? I returned rather late from the office last night and the street was bare then. How did all this rubbish gathered here overnight? What he said that when in the late night I was coming from my office, that time the street was very clean. It was not, the litter was not there. But what all this came, all this rubbish in overnight. So suddenly Madhu falls and injures her foot. You can see the picture over here. That is the girl name is Madhu. She falls and she got injured on her foot. Gives out a cry of pain. When we got hurt, that time we started crying with a loud. That is the cry of pain. Okay, what did the Madhu said? She said, ouch, ouch. That's her expressions. Okay, that's why we get exclamation mark over there. My foot, it hurts, and she keeps crying. Mrs. Joshi said, oh dear Madhu, are you all right? Oh no, her foot is bleeding so much. Somebody help, please. She said, what did Mrs. Joshi said? She said that Madhu got hurt and her foot was bleeding. The blood was coming because she got hurt. Mrs. Patel, now what she said? Nidhi, run and fetch Dr. Mrs. Sawant. What did she say? Nidhi, the another daughter, what she said? Nidhi, you can go and call Dr. Mrs. Sawant. Request her to come quickly. What is Mrs. Patel telling to Nidhi that? Nidhi, you just have to go to the Dr. Sawant and tell her about the situation that your sister has a cut herself on a broken glass bottle. How did she got hurt? She got hurt with the broken glass bottle. Mrs. Desai, I will get some ice at once. What did Mr. Desai said? He said that I will get some ice. Why did he want to bring some ice? Because when we keep the hurted place in the ice, it gets okay. So when we put our finger or the where we got hurt in that ice, it just been unsensitive. The blood stops. That's why Mr. Desai brought some ice. Almost in tears, Mrs. Joshi is about to cry because her daughter got hurt. My poor child, how did all this broken glass happen to be here? What did she said? Mrs. Joshi said that my daughter got hurt. She was about to cry and she was asking or just inquiring about from where did this glass came. Mrs. Patel, looking around, it's not just a broken glass, but what did she mention? Mrs. Patel said that you are talking about the glass only, but we can see all the litters which was mentioned in the first. All the litters is there. Mrs. Joshi, dear me, what nonsense is this? Unbelievable. Where was all this rubbish came from? Everyone, those who have the characters mentioned over here, they enters and they got angry. They just, it's just shocking for them. Every day their street was very clean, but now over a night, the street was full of rubbish. The garbage litters over there. The character called Dr. Sawant, Mrs. Dr. Sawant enters with Nidhi. Okay, she has a doctor's kit. You know that first aid box? She has that with her. Dr. Sawant, let me see this, see the wound. What is mean by wound? Wound means where we got hurt. The blood is coming out. That hurted place is called wound. Okay, Mr. Desai. Here's some ice to stop the bleeding. What did he say? I was about to bring the ice and here it is. It will help to stop the bleeding. Everyone is scared about each of them. All the neighbors are all together and working for them. Okay. Now, Dr. Sawant, what she said, what a presence of mind. She praised that and what they said, that you have used your mind. So good. The eyes will stop bleeding. Good. Applies the eyes on the wound. She put some oil, eyes on that wound. Okay. And after some time, it has stopped bleeding. Because of the eyes, it was stopped bleeding. It's a deep cut. What did she say? It's not a small cut, but a deep cut. Because of that glass of bottle, she got a deep cut. I will dress the wound and she will be fine. What did you say that? I will dress the wound. Dress the wound means what? Putting some medicine, just cream over there and wrapping that with the white color. Okay, putting some cotton and wrapping. That is called first aid dressing. Now, Mrs. Joshi, what did she say? Thank you, doctor. So kind of you to come at once. What did she say that? As I've called, the Nidhi came to call you and you just came in once. That's for that I'm very pleased. Thank you for coming. Now, Mrs. Joshi keeps saying that, but I'm going to complain the mayor. Have you seen the rubbish and the litter on the road? What did she say? Mrs. Joshi, she said that I'm going to complain to the mayor. You may know that who is the mayor? Mayor is the person who takes care of the city. In many of the cartoons, you must have seen there is a mayor, for example, some of the cartoon, I don't remember the name, but in that cartoon, the mayor was mentioned. Okay, so the mayor, she is going to complain about that all the rubbish to the mayor. Okay, in the last I'll ask what was the name of that cartoon. You must have known. Okay, at the end of the lecture I'll ask. Dr. Sawant. Now Dr. Sawant said, oh, it's a mystery. All this garbage was not there yesterday, and now just look at the city. What did she say that? When in the night when I was coming from my clinic, the garbage was not there. And how does it came? Now the newspaper boy and the milkman, hawkers, etc. enters. The people who every day comes to serve, they came. Hawker means what? Hawker means the person who have his trolley or he was just selling his vegetables or whatever, fruits, whatever. Okay, that is called the hawker. Mrs. Patel, the mayor must not have seen. Look, the newspaper boy, he is limping, and the milkman at least. To the milkman, why were you your bicycle and you were late, so late? What did she say? That why do both of you came late? Milkman. Now milkman said that the tires were punctured. I had to come walking all the way with this heavy milk can. What did the milkman said? Because every day he was coming on his cycle, but because of that garbage, because the garbage is full of the glasses, the broken glasses, and he got punctured. And you know that how many other heavy cans he has to with him. So everything he has to hold in his hands and he has to reach. So that's why he was late. Now the newspaper boy, what did he give the answer? That I was tripped over all the old tire and strained my foot. It was quite dark early in this morning. I did not expect an old tire right in the middle of the road. What did he say? That when I was coming to this to drop the newspaper, it was very early morning. We have a darken. The newspaper boy almost he comes by the 6 or the 7. At that time, everywhere there was a dark, and by mistakenly he was tripped, or his leg was tripped in the old tire that it was not expecting. Mr. Desai, he said that, I see, something must be done. Now the bus driver enters carefully, avoiding the litters. Now everyone, there is a light. Everyone, whenever they enters with carefully, avoiding the litter. Okay. So till here, you have understood the situation. It's very simple that on the street. The garbage was lying. It was littered everywhere. Everyone was curious to know about from where did the garbage came. And in that situation, when everyone was inquiring about that, the girl called, what was that girl's name? Madhu. She got hurt, okay, because of the broken glass. Now everyone was attentive towards making her or giving her the first aid. Mr. Joshi, Mr. Patel was just about. Uh, Mrs. Joshi told Nidhi to go and call doctor, and everyone was. Some of them was brought the ice. Mr. Desai. Okay, everyone was busy with giving first aid, and at that time, the milkman, newspaper boy, and the hawker, the person who was selling the vegetables, also entered, and they started giving the reason why they were late. Milkman was got punctured, his cycle was got punctured, the newspaper, his boy was tripped over an old tire. Okay, everything was being in front of you. Every situation is in front of you. Okay, you can see in this picture the street of that. The street is full of garbage. Everywhere you can see the garbage. Okay, the buildings and everywhere you can see the garbage. Now the bus driver entered. Let's see what did the bus driver said. Mrs. Joshi, Mrs. Joshi, he was calling. Mrs. Joshi, I'm sorry, I can't drive the bus today. He started giving the reason. What did he say? He said that I can't drive the bus today. On every road and street, there is nothing but the litter. What did he say? That not only your street, but the whole city, every street is littered with the garbage. It looks like an obstacle race course. Obstacle means what? When we start running, some of the barricades are kept over there that we have to jump. They are called the obstacles, the difficulties which are facing us to run. Okay, that is called obstacle race. Mrs. Joshi, what they said? I know, I'm going to send for the mayor at once. What she said, that I'm going to complain about this to the mayor. He must see this. Our children are not safe with all these dangerous broken objects around. What did she say? That she said that because of this garbage, our city is not safe. Our children are not safe. You cannot drive the bus. The milkman is not able to reach the house. The newspaper man is not able to give or provide the newspaper. My daughter got hurt, and I am going to complain this to the mayor. Okay, what did she say? That our children are not safe with all these dangerous broken objects around. Now the person who, the hawker, no one is safe. Let's request the mayor to come and see for himself. What did the hawker say? That yes, we should complain this to the mayor, and he should visit this place. He must have to see. Now what did Mr. Desai said? I will fetch him. I will fetch him means I will just go to him, I will visit to him, and I will complain. And in the bracket, the word is written over here is exit. Exit means what? He leaves the scene, the stage, whatever he was standing, he leave and he gone out. Okay. And the second scene starts with the mayor. Now, the important person, the person who is responsible to take care of the city, that is mayor, is being entered. Okay, he enters. Mr. Desai enters again after some time. He enters with the mayor and he's retuned. Retuned means what? The person who is the mayor who is having the bodyguard, the person who is helping the mayors, everyone with the group of the people, he entered. Okay, So all of you have understood till this much. I'll just tell you once again. Sorry. Okay. Some of the characters are mentioned in that. You can see the humans as well as the animals. First of all, the situation was about the city. In that city, every street is full of garbage. The people, those who are walking, those who are providing the services, are not able to reach the place. The newspaper man, the milkman, the hawkers, the bus driver, everyone is facing the problem. And when the Nidhi and Madhu was about to go to the school, Madhu got hurt. Her foot got hurt. She was bleeding. At that time, Mr. Desai as well as Dr. Sawant, both of them gave her the first aid. Mr. Desai provided the ice, and Dr. Sawant, she also gave the first aid, that is dressing and everything. Awaz, awaz. Okay, so this was the situation, and now everyone was agreed to complain this to the mayor, and that Mr. Desai, he just visited the mayor, he told the situation, and mayor himself came with his routines, and he visited the city. Okay, this is the situation given all around. Okay, have you understood the story?